Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
Hukitera ko Eliana Collins. What a lovely hit down the line.
What we've got to watch out for is who is giving the call. You'll see that Norton, they'll just know when she's coming through. Who's
19 up here.
Yeah, so she can play there as well. So they've got a good...
Beautiful ace serve there. Our defense, our main defense specialist. Now, their point is indeed to keep the ball up from the ground.
The referee's chair helping her out.
It's
catch. But, the ability to have the left-hander who... So I guess that's just the tactic. They're confident on either side, but able to look away there, and you can see the shot on the replay.
She made that small gap.
Here we go.
Look at that.
Goloboski.
He speaks truly about our girls from Christchurch.
Okay, goes down the middle.
Gets the ace. Just at the end of the court there. Solid hits.
Bounces off the defender, off the blocker.
Yeah, going on there.
And pretty hyped up there, Collins. She's really performed well so far. She's got the height. She's
up here. You know, we have our headphones.
See Norton up close there. That was it.
There
that
we go. Drops in.
The Core Wolves leave it.
Bit of a gift for us up here.
What I'm impressed with is...
Rangitoto there, let's see that replay.
Take a look.
There you go. Okay, waenganui pa. Aye.
She got it.
Oh, Simpkins, there we go, beautiful. Sends it off the block. After this amazing week, I need to get back into this beautiful sport. And it's in.
Ducking under it. She's pulling her arms out the way.
There, Kua Hukitera will miss Vanilo, number 11. Let's see that replay.
That's a good play.
And it's off the block, picks it up. Yet again, tips it over. Mauri ora te kaha o te rangatira. O te tima o Christchurch. That is the power of a captain.
Pretty much at the end of what he says to his players. Rugg.
Picks it up by Rugg, beautifully passed. Outside. There we go.
Took it in the face almost, but it's back.
Managed to get it over on
the full brunt of that.
Oh, he's still managing to bring it back up.
Gets a pat on the head.
Just noticed with our girl Goloboski there.
Warming up.
And there we are, the power of Miss Norton.
Sit through.
Managed to slam it down there. Goloboski slams it down. Papai kia ngā wai. Kokutai. Rugg. Not finished quite yet, Kare no Kamatsu. Kei te ora tonu rātou o Christchurch girls. Kia Rugg.
And there it is, they've got it.
Te kēmu. Whainara I tēnei wā rua te kaumārima Rangitoto a ko Christchurch girls. Te kaumawha winning the third set here. Te Rangitoto.
They down with this. You try but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this. Whakarongo and you know.